okay? Has mango, banana, and peach. And then I got a West Coast sandwich. And then gluten-free carrot cake. Is it good? Raya! Raya, where are we? Oh, careful, are you okay? Where are we? What's that? Where are we? Say Granville Island. Raya, can you say Granville Island? Island. Oh yay, you're sleeping. So where you can find all the fresh foods and produce. There's candy and pastries. My sexy fiance.
Hey, Raya.
Right, let's go eat first. Kiss daddy. Oh, mommy. Kiss mommy.
Feed mama. Feed mama.
Can I have some? Sure, sure. Have some? Thank you.
My turn.
Oh, daddy.
My turn. Ketchup. I want ketchup.
You're gonna eat it. Andrew! Holy smokes! Count. How many birds are there? Count.
It's like Home Alone 2 all over again. Come on.
She's counting them. Okay, careful, Raya. Look at this one. Raya, don't touch it. This one, look, it's like white and black. Yeah, different colors.
Hold it. Only a little. A little.
Okay, pick whatever. It's so cheap. I bought a big bag.
She literally took one.
Nothing I asked for.
That one bird's gonna thank you for 10 seconds.
Look at
Okay, fine.
This much, Laura.
Yeah. How's she gonna do?
No,
She sure do.
Raya, be nice. Hey, be nice, okay? You want a timeout? No? Are you gonna behave?
Yeah.
Promise?
At the Granville Public Market. Now we're gonna go to Children's Playground for Raya.
Go get it, go get it. You guys are so good.
Ah, she got the bomb.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Right? It's rigged.
Oh, see that? Ninja. A fruit.
It's not a competition. Oh, there you go.
Raya, look.
Shoot the duck.
Shoot the ducks. There, push it. I don't know what we have to do.
You have to get them to go through. You have to get them in, not out.
Oh, you're so strong and fast, Raya.
So tired. Look how small he is. Look at that. How tiny.
Give her more.
You stay up. You better stay up.
I can't even put him down for 1 second. Okay, you win. See, he stops when I hold him right away. That's okay. I love you so much.
So this is the inaugural baby burping and baby feeding time with Mr. Jonah.
He burped him twice.
And it's
Fed
good
him.
practice. With
And this is his coach.
that's the coach, general manager, and then my teammates over there, and then the teammate behind the camera as well. I want to flip the camera. That's my other teammate, just like a hockey team. And then
No, you
that's
did really good.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow,
Okay,
skills. He did the
Say hi,
switch.
say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Did Uncle do a good job?
Let's go back to sleep. Let's go this way. Just take off your shoes. You don't like that. You like that?
Steph's getting some blush lessons. I'm gonna try on this Marc Jacobs Tantalizing. And what brush is this? I'm gonna use a Pro Contour brush. See how tired I look? Ooh. Time fun. At least Chris is smiling. And then I kind of did my face too.
Are you video logging?
Yeah.
I like how you compliment yourself.
Hi guys, just did my makeup. This is what I look like after. I just added a little bit of makeup, and then Steph did it too. I just taught her how to do a daytime, springtime look for Vegas.
We have our apprentice here. Alright, getting ready for the Saturday night.
In her is it cheetah? Leopard? What is that? Jaguar.
Did you guys do?
And I changed both diapers.
And Andrew.
Yep. Yep.
That's a good daddy. Really good daddy. Right
Yep.
there. Show your makeup up close.
No, I'm showing my hair.
Let's see Steph's work. Really? Hi, I'm Mama. What's your name? Say hi, I'm Lariah.
Anaya.
Alright, so this is Lariah's first YouTube video featuring Minnie and what's the duck's name? Okay, here we go! Okay,
you don't have
you
that
ready?
Filipino accent.
So this is what it's supposed to look
And
like.
this what Cookie Monster.
Oh.
No, is that Filipino?
Yeah. Sure. Okay, this is what it's supposed to look like. Right? And then this is mine. How's it look?
Oh, it's actually not bad. That's Ronaldo the alien. Just joking.
I tried. Okay, fine. You try doing mini.
I'm here to make
There we go.
Minnie Mouse.
That's better.
Yeah, using the color.
What color is that, Lariah?
Pink.
Good
Yeah.
job.
She
Right on.
is too, everyone, just so you know. My daughter is too, and she can
She's smart.
identify colors. What color is this one?
Orange.
Yeah.
Good job.
And how about this one?
Black.
Yeah.
Good job.
That's what it's calling for.
Wow.
If you notice the difference, this is very basic.
That looks cute.
However,
Yours looks kind of
wanted
scary, the
I want
eyes.
to make it more realistic by adding eye whites to it. And look at the nose. See, that's just a regular snowman nose. That doesn't even look like a mouse. Mine's 3D. Sticks out.
That's
real
actually
mouse.
cute. Okay, fine. Right, what do you think of Daddy's Minnie Mouse?
Who's this?
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah.